Alrighty, hey Robotcs, it's Fagan. You probably can't see me because of the light. There we go, that should make things a little better. Finishing your virtual bot. All right, that is the task for this week. It is week 6, and we are in the month of May. Whoa, you've only got 3 weeks left. Crazy. All right, so essential question for this week. What are the final steps for virtual bot assembly? So, our CCQs for this week, or comprehension check questions, are number 1, why is it important to assemble the 2-wire motor as a rigid group? Okay, and if you've gotten through working on your lift manipulator by this point, you will know that answer. 2, how hard is the due date for completed virtual bot assembly? And 3, what advice would you give Fagan for improving his videos? I'd love to hear that. All right. Yeah, answers to last week's CCQs are here. They're pretty involved, but they're both open-ended questions, and you could have different answers. Pause the video if you want to see those. Otherwise, I'm going to move forward. So, yeah, like it says, you're finishing a virtual bot. As far as that due date and how hard it is, well, my hope is that you'd have it done by, 5/11 midnight, okay, or I guess, that morning, 12 in the morning. But I realize that may not be quite realistic. Try to have your bot all finished up halfway through the following week, I guess. Yeah, so that you can practice your animation a little later on. All right? And yeah, let's go back to what else we're doing. I think that's about all I have to tell you today. If you have forgotten and you need to double check, the place you're getting all the stuff you need to do this project is in this virtual robot section on robotics. Okay, so first of all, you would want to get those files, right, which I should have in here somewhere. Let's see, right here. Okay, so if you go here, you can download all the materials for this stuff. Yes, because it's right there. All right. And secondly, if you need to find those videos again, I've got this Creating Clawbot Fusion 360 playlist. Okay, so you go to here, view the material, and it'll pull up a link, and then this has all the videos I've created for how to make the Clawbot in a virtual environment. All right, so at this point I've got up to, this says video 9, but there's some extra videos, so probably over 10 videos, and there will be some more coming. All right, so best of luck. Let me know what you need. See you around.